Hey guys, I'm actually in Casa De Compai today, out of the studio. I apologize if I sound a little nasally. I'm rocking a hardcore head cold. I'm hurting. But guys, this is Casa De Compai. This is why I talk with the level of authority that I have. I've been doing property down here since 2010. Casa De Compai is my second property. What I did, I bought this in 2014. Most people think it was 2017, but it's 2014 because the little building behind me that has on the ground floor 2 studios and a 2-bedroom upstairs was pre-existing. I restored that building. And then when I moved here in 2017, I did the 3-story building. Had to put the pool in, all the mechanicals, all the sewer, the electric, generator, well, filtration, built the pump house. With Unit 10, that was my home for 3 years. I love that little place. That's my economical studio condo. But what I want to get into is when you have a condo complex like I do, there's certain things you got to look at. You're always doing maintenance. So when I purchased this building back in 2014, it didn't look anything like this. In fact, I'm going to include a video from the day I did my walkthrough before settlement. You probably won't even recognize it's the same place. The only thing people can identify is the balcony up top for the 2-bedroom.
And he have been really great. No, but for me it has been really great.
The first one I closed because what is it? I have a savings account, not a current account, a savings account. And what you expect is maybe something, but there's no
Exactly.
American money. Sometimes that's right. So then I put money on there for a year. Every month like 1,500, 1,200, 500, and after about 6 months, I look at the statement. The first time I look at the statement, I thought, okay, I have $20,000.
Okay, here we are. It's this bottom floor of the opposite side. So basically what we're thinking about doing is actually taking the wall out that has all the windows and the doors and expanding the condo out and making a new wall, basically to take out that little terrace, because that's pretty much useless. And what that'll do, what the important thing is, it'll give us a heck of a lot more room inside, because they're just too small to get the kind of money we want to get out of them. So if we break out this wall here and add it right along here, I'll give us enough room to have a decent bedroom and a nice living room and a nice kitchen. Perfect for extended vacations is what our market is. Guys coming down for a couple weeks to a couple months. All right, here I am. I'm in the back corner. I'm just giving a better look at the backyard. We got a couple of banana trees we need to get them out of here. They're messy, and they don't produce that much bananas. You got to really, believe it or not, you got to trim them up, and they hit a certain point and you got to cut them down so they produce more fruit when they're young, from what I've been told. So they're out of here. But I had to redo this apartment. When I walked in the first thing I said is, oh shit, they're too small, because they were small. So it took a little imagination to think things through, how we can make use of the best space. Let me just share something with you guys. If you're thinking about doing rentals down here in Sosua, you have to be always changing and improving your product. The minute you're stationary is the minute you start falling behind your competition. Behind me is all the 1-bedroom units. I have 6 of them, and they're all getting redone this month, as well as my 3 studios and my 2-bedroom. By the end of the month, we're going to be totally upgraded, renovated, a lot more improvements as well. So keep following along on remodel. So one of the things that I found that's super, super, super important after doing this 15 years is you got to have the right guys working for you. I took this month off. Basically, I only have 2 reservations this month. I have one client, Tony, who's here year round. I have another client who's leaving on the 12th, and I got 2 guys coming in next week. And that's pretty much it for the month because I need some time off. I've been going really hard for 8 years. That's when I moved down here. And that time I built the property behind me and redid the 4 existing properties back then as well. Because when I do one apartment, I do 10. You know, it's one thing to have one condo and hit it out of the park as a home run. It's a totally different beast when you got 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk inside the unit that we're doing right now. We're going to be looking at number 8. It's a third floor unit, and you're going to get an idea of what's going on.
Welcome to Compai's Expat channel. Everything Expat.